In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image to a GitHub README file. This is a great way to enhance your documentation, making it visually appealing and informative. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, you'll need to upload the image you want to include in your README file. Open your repository on GitHub, and once you're there, look for the button that says Add File. Click on that, and then select the option that says Upload Files. Here, you can either drag and drop your image directly into the browser window or click to choose a file from your computer. Once you have your image ready to go, don't forget to click on Commit Changes to save it in your repository. Now that your image is uploaded, the next step is to get the image URL. This part is pretty straightforward. Navigate back to the repository where you just uploaded the image. Click on the image to open it in its own viewing window. Once it's open, right-click on the image itself and select Copy Image Link. This link is crucial because it's how you'll reference the image in your README file later. With the image URL in hand, let's move on to editing your readme.md file. Find the README file in your repository and click on it to open it. To start editing, look for the pencil icon located at the top right corner of the README section. Clicking that will allow you to enter Edit mode, where we can make our changes. Now you want to decide where you'd like the image to appear within the text. Place your cursor at the spot where you'd like the image to show up. We will use Markdown for inserting the image, which is really simple. You want to type the following code, Alt Text, your -image -URL. Now, you'll replace your image URL with the actual link you copied earlier. It's a good idea to also replace alt text with a short description of your image. For example, if you uploaded a logo, you could use My Logo as your alt text. This description helps improve accessibility and gives context if the image doesn't load properly. Once you've inserted the code correctly, take a moment to review everything. When you're ready, scroll down and click on Commit Changes. This will apply the updates to your README file, and the image will be displayed exactly where you placed the code. And that's it! You've successfully added an image to your GitHub README file. It's a simple process that can have a big impact on how viewers interact with your project. Remember, visuals can often convey information much quicker than text alone, so don't hesitate to use images where appropriate. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing for more content like this and give this video a thumbs up. Happy coding!